Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy, back with my first video of my series, 15 Days of Christmas. We're going to do a craft every day. Some of them are going to be gifts, some of them are going to be decorating. Today we're going to start with something really simple. It's a really quick and easy craft you can make for a nice gag gift or a serious gift if you like it. But anyway, it's really simple. You don't need any special equipment. If you have a inkjet printer or any kind of printer hooked to your computer, you can make this work. If you don't have it and you can draw, you can make it work too. What we're going to do is we're going to make decorated toilet tissue rolls. So stay tuned and see how we make. For this DIY, all we're going to need is a roll of toilet tissue. You can use Dollar Tree. This is actually, I believe, the Aldi brand one. And measure the height of the roll. These are exactly 4 inches. That's going to be important. And then you need some typing paper or copy paper. I'm so old school, I call it typing paper. And then you need a program. You can use Microsoft Word, any kind of word processing software. You can use Paint, I believe MS Paint, or if you have Cricut Design Space, you can use that. But if you use Cricut to print from, it will put a black box around your image, so you'll have to trim that off. But if you just use Word, you can go online, find an image, just right click and copy it, and then paste it in and size it down. So I made mine 4 inches wide, and I just put it on a band, and then I got my little paper trimmer out and I trimmed it down to 4 inches. So, and I've got quite a few. There's all kind you can find. You can make holiday ones. I have one that says he sees you when you're pooping. And then kind of funny ones. Have a nice poop. And I did all that in Microsoft Word. I just set my paper to landscape and sized my image till it was I think 3.5 inches. And then I just printed it out, and now I'm just going to put it in my cutter, and I'm going to size it to 4 inches. Cut it, and then I have a band that will fit on my paper. And here's one that I made for my sister, and sorry, it does have a curse word in it, so don't take offense. And I tried to find some little puppies that look like her, so those look like her 3 babies. And I made some for her, and I made her a flag too, a garden flag that has that same image on it using sublimation. Now you can get real fancy if you have a sublimation printer. I have seen some videos online where people have actually sublimated or printed it straight, or pressed it onto the tissue. I didn't try all that because it looked just as good to me with the paper bands. So after you get your strips cut to 4 inches, you just take your roll of tissue, and I just took the band, wrapped it around it, and then taped it on there. And then we're going to package it up. I have some of the loot bags from the Dollar Tree, 20 loot bags. These are 11.5 by 5 inches. They are the perfect size for a roll of tissue paper. You can also do this with paper towel rolls. They look cute if you want to do one for kitchen. You could put Santa's bacon squad on it or something like that. That would be really cute. But we're just going to drop it in the bag. And it is almost an exact fit, y'all, so I'm going to struggle just a minute because sometimes my hands don't work right. Then you just drop it in. Even comes with a little festive silvery tie. And then you can add a tag or ribbons, ever how you want to do it, to customize it even more. You can go online and find images. You could just type something out in, here my puppy's barking. You could type something out in Word, customize it. You can leave messages to your family. I have one here for my family that says, changing the toilet paper roll will not cause brain damage, because I seem to be the only person who can change the roll when it's empty. But anyway, that's what you get. So let me go ahead and get these others made and then we'll take a look at them. So that's it, y'all. That was so quick and easy to do. It turns out really cute. It's a fun little gift. We don't really give that many serious gifts. And it's really inexpensive. If you get the tissue at the Dollar Tree, it's only 25 cents a roll because you can get 4 for $1, and one or two sheets of copy paper and the little bag. So there you go. I'm gonna sneak one into the bathroom at my work and see if anybody notices. It's something. It's funny, and we all need to laugh every now and then. Remember that I'm having a giveaway for the 15 days of Christmas. I'm going to be making a craft every day or show you a decoration or something till the 15th of December, and I'll be having a giveaway. I don't have my goodie box yet. I'll have it in the videos coming up. So all you got to do is comment, like, and subscribe to be entered, and it's some really good prizes in there. So y'all be looking for that. And remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and craft yourself a merry little Christmas. Bye.